Unboxing, setup and first use. Take the appliance out of the box and carefully remove all of the packaging. Make sure you remove all labels from the unit. In the box you will find your CareStyle 1 iron, an attached base unit with removable tray, water tank and power cord. Place your appliance on your ironing board. Before turning on and plugging in your unit, fill the water tank. To do so, pull out the drawer and pour in the water past the min mark, taking care to not exceed the max mark. Plug in the appliance. For the first use, select either the level 3 or steam max setting on the dial. The iron will start to heat up and the temperature control LED on the iron will flash and the acoustic signal will sound twice. Once the temperature is reached, the temperature control LED is permanently on and the acoustic signal will sound again. When the iron is ready, release from the base by pressing the unlock button. We now recommend ironing for a few minutes over a rag to avoid dirtying your garments with any manufacturing residue that may be present. You are now ready to use your new iron. After 10 minutes, the iron will begin to auto off. The LED light will begin flashing. After a further 10 minutes, the iron will turn off and begin to cool. When you have finished, turn the dial to off, unplug and let the appliance cool down, and store the power cord. Then lock the iron and empty the water tank.